Ever or never, what's the difference? Both of them are mostly used in present perfect tense. Ever means at any time and never means not. Ever is mostly used in the question forms, like you say, have you ever? Question mark. But never is used in a normal sentence. We say, I have never, and there's a full stop at the end. He has never, also full stop at the end. Number 1, have you blank studied German? So here we have question mark at the end. So we use ever here. Have you ever studied German? I have blank seen a dolphin. So here this is a normal sentence with a full stop at the end. We use never here. I have never seen a dolphin. Have you blank tried cooking? So here we have a question mark. We use ever. Have you ever tried cooking? I have blank drunk iced tea. It's a normal sentence with a full stop, so we use never. I have never drunk iced tea. This is the best book I have blank read. This is a normal sentence with a full stop, so we'll use never here. But it's incorrect. We have to use ever here because this is the superlative sentence. The rule says ever is also used in superlative sentences, like when you say something is the best, the most, the worst. In all these cases, we use ever. This is the first time I have blank eaten Italian pizza. You answer this one. Write it down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Ever